Find the first 5 terms of the sequence given the nth term. In our second example, the equation is a sub n equals 14 minus 5n. Again, we're going to assign values of n, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2. Let's start with n equals 1. So when n equals 1, then a sub 1, okay, that n will become 1. This is 14 minus 5. 5n means 5 times n or 5 times 1. Then we multiply 5 and 1, so this will be 14 minus 5. And 14 minus 5 is 9. So a sub 1 equals 9. Let's have n equals 2. When n equals 2, then a sub 2 equals 14 minus 5n. 5 times 2. Or 14 minus 5 times 2, 10. And 14 minus 10 is 4. So a sub 2 equals 4. When n is equal to 3, then a sub 3 equals 14 minus 5 times 3, or 14 minus 15. And 14 minus 15 equals negative 1. So that is a sub 3. When n is equal to 4, a sub 4 equals 14 minus 5 times 4. That is 14 minus 20. And 14 minus 20 equals negative 6. That is a sub 4. For n is equal to 5, what is a sub 5? So, I'm leaving that question to you. Kindly write your answer in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck.